Should you buy the Nothing Phone 2A or the Nothing Phone 2A Plus? This is a question many people are asking. In this video, we'll help you make an informed decision. Now, it feels like just yesterday that Nothing launched the Nothing Phone 2A, which got an overwhelmingly positive response for its great specs and fantastic pricing. And now, Nothing is gearing up to release a new device, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus, tomorrow, on July 31st. It seems like these brands are on a roll. After the standard, they release a Plus, then an Ultra, and maybe even a Pro down the line. It's a bit of a marketing strategy to keep us hooked. But let's break it down and see what the Nothing Phone 2A Plus has to offer, compared to the 2A. In today's video, we'll discuss if you should buy Nothing Phone 2A or wait for Phone 2A Plus. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's jump right in. Nothing is set to expand its smartphone lineup with the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. Building on the success of the Phone 2A, the Plus variant promises to offer enhanced features and performance. Here are the major changes that are supposed to come in Phone 2A Plus. Processor and performance. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus is expected to come with an enhanced processor. We're looking at MediaTek's Dimensity 7350 Pro chipset, which will be exclusive to the Phone 2A Plus lineup. This is a new addition and promises a slightly improved experience over the Dimensity 7200 Pro processor. The Phone 2 already had a decent performance, but this upgrade should provide a noticeable boost. Talking about the camera, the Phone 2A features a 32-megapixel selfie camera, but the 2A Plus steps it up to a 50-megapixel selfie camera. This could be a significant upgrade, especially if Nothing has improved color tuning. The rear camera setup is expected to remain the same, with a dual 50-megapixel camera system consisting of a main sensor with OIS and an ultra-wide lens. Coming to battery and charging speed, the battery remains at 5,000 milliamperes, but the charging speed is increased from 45 watts to 50 watts. While a 5-watt increase might not seem much, it indicates Nothing is experimenting with faster charging for future models. What do you think about this upgrade? Let me know in the comments below. Display and storage. Contrary to rumors, the display size remains unchanged. The 2A Plus will feature the same 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The screen is likely to be protected by Gorilla Glass 5, ensuring durability. In terms of variants, you'll have options between 8 GB and 12 GB of RAM, with storage up to 256 GB. While 512 GB would have been ideal for heavy users, it's not available yet. The storage type is expected to be UFS 3, which is decent, but UFS 3.1 would have been better for faster data speeds. Talking about the price. So those are the main changes in the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. If you're considering a new phone in the $300 to $350 price range, the 2A Plus is worth looking at, provided it sticks within this pricing. If it's priced higher than the 2A, these minor upgrades might not justify the cost. In conclusion, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus is expected to be an improved version of its predecessor, the Phone 2A, with minor upgrades. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. That's all for today. Also, let us know if you are going to buy Phone 2A or Phone 2A Plus in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.